Coinbase Cash Out. How much crypto can you really convert? Ever watch those limbo dreams roll by on your social media feed? You know, the ones where someone claims they just cashed out a fortune in crypto and are about to be cruising the Sunset Strip in style? Yeah, well, hold on a sec before you start picking out rims for your imaginary luxury car. Moving money from the world of cryptocurrency back to your everyday bank account isn't quite as flashy as those posts might make it seem. There are limits, fees, and a whole lot of fine print to consider. So, before you get swept up in the crypto hype, let's get real about how much you can actually transfer out of your Coinbase account and into your bank. Now, Coinbase is one of the biggest and most user-friendly crypto exchanges out there, so that's where we'll focus today. But keep in mind, these general principles often apply to other platforms as well. Alright, buckle up crypto comrades, because we're about to dive into the nitty-gritty of Coinbase cash outs. The big question, how much can I transfer? The short answer? It depends. Coinbase doesn't have a one-size-fits-all limit. There are actually a few factors that come into play. Transaction type. Are you selling crypto to cash out, or are you transferring funds directly from your Coinbase wallet, where you hold your crypto, to your bank account? Selling crypto first usually has a higher limit. Verification level. Coinbase has different verification levels for its users. The more verified you are, with ID, proof of address, etc., the higher your transfer limits will generally be. Payment method. The type of bank account you're linking to Coinbase can also affect your limits. Some banks may have their own restrictions on incoming transfers. Let's break it down. Alright, so with those factors in mind, here's a ballpark range of what you can expect. Unverified users. If you're just starting out with Coinbase and haven't completed any verification, your daily limit for selling crypto and withdrawing cash is likely to be around $500. Basic verification. Once you verify your identity with some basic info, that limit jumps significantly. We're talking daily sales and cash outs of up to $1,000 to $2,500. Advanced verification. This is where the big boys play. By providing additional documentation like proof of address, you can unlock daily limits of up to $50,000. Fees to consider. Now, before you get too excited about those higher limits, remember, there are fees involved. Coinbase charges a spread, the difference between the buy and sell price, when you convert your crypto to cash. There are also per transaction fees on top of that. These fees can vary depending on the amount you're transferring and your chosen payment method. Coinbase has a handy fee calculator on their website. https://help.coinbase.com/and/trading-and-funding/pricing-and-fees/fees so you can get a more specific estimate before you hit that sell button. Waiting for your money. Alright, so you figured out your limits, factored in the fees, and hit sell. Now what? Unfortunately, your money won't magically appear in your bank account overnight. Coinbase transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. So, don't expect to be counting stacks of cash the next morning. Security matters. While we're on the topic of waiting, let's talk about security. Coinbase takes security very seriously, which is a good thing. But it also means there may be additional verification steps or holding periods for larger transfers. This might involve waiting a few extra days for your money to clear, or even providing additional documentation to prevent fraud. Beyond Coinbase. Remember, these are general guidelines for Coinbase. If you're using a different platform, be sure to check their specific withdrawal limits and fees. Cashing out your crypto on Coinbase can be a straightforward process, but there are limits to consider. Understanding your verification level, setting realistic expectations for transfer times, and factoring in fees will all help you make informed decisions when it comes to moving your money back and forth between the crypto world and your bank account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.